Hi team, welcome to Cloud Pandit. So in this exam questions for Microsoft Azure Data Engineer DP-203 video series. So in today's session, we will see questions on Azure Portal and Azure Portal walkthrough. What are the possible questions that we should know for interview or for exam, both, okay? So let's see the first question. If you see where you can able to access the Azure Portal, okay? So portal.microsoft.com, azure.microsoft.com, portal.azure.com, portal.azure.microsoft.com. So as you know, the very important thing is in order to do anything in the Azure, in order to access any Azure service, we need to log in into the Azure portal by using the portal.azure.com. So the answer is C. The second question says, what does the Azure portal dashboard provide? Quick access to your favorite websites? No. An overview of your Azure's resources and services? Yes. The right answer is B, because access to Microsoft Office applications, detailed billing information? No. The right answer is an overview of Azure resources and services. Okay. Is Azure Data Factory supports Internet Explorer browser? So this is very important. Many people not aware, they will confuse why Azure Data Factory is not opening in the browser. So if you are using Internet Explorer, Azure Data Factory will not support the Internet Explorer browser. So the answer is false, because this Azure Data Factory supports Internet Explorer means the answer is false, because it won't support. Okay, next. Which section of the Azure portal allows you to create Azure resources? Resource group, favorite, home, create a resource. Yes. There is an option called create a resource, which basically take you directly to create a resource of anything. Okay, it can be database, it can be storage, it can be analytics, it can be machine learning studio, anything you can able to create. So the right answer is create a resource. How can you search for specific resource or service in the Azure portal? So there are multiple ways. So one of the easiest way is by using the search bar at the top of the portal. That is answer D. Okay, by using the search bar at the top of the portal. By clicking on the search option in the sidebar. So sidebar, you don't have any search option. Option C is ruled out. By navigating through the sidebar. So you can navigate through the sidebar. The quickest option is basically by using the search bar at the top of the portal, because the question is how to search and find a particular specific resource or services by using the search bar at the top of the portal. That is the answer. Okay, the right answer is D. What is the purpose of create a resource option in the Azure portal? So remember, so it allows you to create new virtual machine? No. It lets you create a custom dashboard? No. It provides a marketplace for searching and creating a new Azure resource, as it can be any of any type, as I mentioned, database, storage, analytics, machine learning studio, anything. If you want to create, you can able to create it using the create a resource option. So the right answer is C. where where can you find detailed documentation support option for Azure services? Yes, so if you see in the favorite list, right, by default in the left side down, you will see help plus support option in the favorite list. By default it will be added into the favorites. So if you click on help plus support option in the sidebar, you will be able to see the documentation, how to raise a service request to the Microsoft in order to solve particular problem. You are seeing some issue that you are facing, you are not able to fix it, you can raise the ticket to the Microsoft and you can connect to them, and you can explain the issue, so they will help you. Okay, so the right answer is under the help desk support option in the sidebar. Okay, that's all questions I have, team. So I request all of you to subscribe my YouTube channel and encourage me to do more videos. And if you have any questions, feel free to put it your questions in the comment section. I'll answer all of your questions. Thank you.